type of YouTuber would I be if I didn't show y'all what the house looked like. Now we about to go to Champ. So we're about to now go walk a hiking trail. This is my outfit, got everything from Forever 21. It's giving exactly what I needed in that department. Shorts, Forever 21, cute little set. And then I need to change my shoes. I ended up getting these from Dick's. They're comfortable enough to walk around in, and I don't mind if they get messed up from the dirt and whatnot. So yeah, we don't have much time, so I'm gonna make this quick. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my outfit really quick. All right, Mo and I are walking Tumamoc. Girl, I said Tillamook. Tumamoc Trail. Currently, there's a lot of noises going on within the distance, so it's kind of freaking me out. But we're gonna make this. Yeah, freaking us both out. But we're gonna make this a good little hiking trail. You look so cute in your little outfit.
Thank you.
Yes, hair. Yeah, my sis look cute. But yeah, we're gonna make this a good experience. Right now, I should take my mask off. I still got it on. Girl. Yeah. That is true. Okay. Well, we'll see y'all at the top. Hey y'all, so I am back. We walked the trail. We didn't stay for very long because y'all, it was just too much, you know, critters and whatnot in the background. Sorry about the echo. I'm in the bathroom right now, about to do my makeup, and then we're gonna head to dinner someplace. It's called the Buffalo Spot. I will show y'all the finished product once it is done, but yeah, I'll check in with y'all later. So I finished my face. Yeah, I tried this new Morphe bronze show, and this is in the color Mocha Moment. It looks like that here. It's like pretty red. But yeah, this is me tonight. So yeah, I'm waiting on my sister to get here, and then after she gets here, we're gonna leave and then meet her friend at the restaurant. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna change my shoes here soon and put on my necklaces. I already got my earrings on, nothing's changing there. But yeah, I'm probably gonna ask Mo to take some pictures of me real quick, to be honest. Later. It's the pre-game.
Big pre-game, not the little one.
Yeah, I'm the wrong one to ask. Ooh.
To open it?
Yeah, child. Let's see. They got weird scissors up in there. Ooh. Girl, that just took me by surprise, y'all. I can't be doing stuff like that. You think this would be good with the pickle? Just get it. Go out. I'm not opening that trash at night.
What we cheersing to?
Cheers to fun, friendship,
more life, and success.
Period. And money. Them bank accounts big accounts.
Big chase.
Big chase. Big Amex. Big flights. Big travel. Big international.
Can I go next? Big Birkin. Big Tory Burch. Big Balenci.
Big Bottega.
Girl, that Bottega.
Big Bottega. Big LV.
What I got? Oh, Big Chanel.
Big Nelly.
Yeah, that Nelly.
Big Nelly.
Period.
Cheers.
Oh, I'm actually scared.
How we gonna cheers and then not drink it? Oh God. Okay. I ain't gonna drink this whole thing at once. I don't think.
Do you think this is one shot?
No, this is probably like a double. What y'all think this is? I ain't feel mine all the way. This gotta be a double shot. It's crazy.
Ugh, I got gum in my mouth too. You ain't got no candy like the old days? I used to be like, can I have a piece of candy?
I should have ate a piece of gum. Okay, I don't want to right now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I just taste the apple right now.
It's not that bad.
I just taste the apple.
Woo.
I think mine is like maybe 1.5 shots. I think yours, you have more than me, Yours probably yours probably like 1.5. Mine probably like 1 1/4.
I'm just processing it.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, child.
Another pickle. Still tasting bitter to me personally, but.
Wait, you already ate some? Oh.
I can't believe we are back home because I left my wallet here, and obviously going to a bar you can't get in without ID. So I'm here. I'm gonna take off my makeup. Why did I have to forget my wallet, huh?
Huh?
What you say?
I said, I'm just relieved that you found your wallet.
Yeah, same, true. Yeah, I was nervous too, but I was trying not to be like too nervous or anxious, cause
I said about 2 prayers for you, girl.
oh, thank you, sis, cause
Find your wallet.
yeah, girl, that's no joke. Especially just like, cause it's hard to retrace your steps when you lose something. It's like,
Yeah, but I felt like we didn't go anywhere.
yeah,
it's not like we had been out all day or something.
right. Cannot believe ooh, my teeth look. Is this a coat?
This still was not being a good friend. When you over here tried to have Gary to do that.
Oh,
I really can't believe I left my wallet, but I ain't gonna have to. I want now. I think I kind of want a burger.
I was about to have some fries, man.
But
Ev, you be doing that, man.
what?
With the cuz Key had asked.
I want fries. I want fries and a drink.
Wait, you ready?
Yeah.
Is yours bigger than mine?
Nope. You gave me less. Cheers. Cheers. Oh gosh. Oh shoot.
You know how sticky it gets. Hey, you know how sticky it gets.
Isn't this whiskey?
Yeah. Bro, I can smell that drink from all the way over here.
Yuck. One app, all the Wendy's. That don't even make no sense.
Hot and crispy guaranteed.
Have you seen Uncle Baby?
Uncle Baby. Who Uncle Baby? I don't know who that is.
That ain't cute.
I don't know who that is, yo.
Who got fries?
I got some nuts.
You got a large part of it on the shit.
I really hope they gave me spicy one because I don't like
Oh no, this
That's
is
a
mine.
chicken nugget.
that trash thing. You got a fork?
Who's the scorpion with
The trash thing.
you? You smell like a little large fry.
7 times. That's a that's a
Kiana, here. Are you doing your mouth all twisted up?
What is that that yellow thing? What is that? An air freshener? Car air freshener?
Oh no, this glass is white. It came out of
They put all this ranch and stuff in the thing.
Why they be throwing the sauce in there like that?
That's all you got?
I got 6 pieces and she gonna give me some nuggets. I need some French fries.
Key, why are you doing your mouth like that?
Can I get my
Barbecue?
I think did I get barbecue or honey mustard? I did ask for barbecue.
And I got a honey mustard in a roll.
Key, what is you cracking? You had any alcohol?
I'm gonna eat these fries at the bottom instead.
And I've been doing that. Who's Uncle Baby?
Key, who is that?
He's actually really a little boy. But
Oh, it's ketchup.
they call him.
They call him Uncle Baby?
His name ain't cute.
Is that a TikTok?
Video.
He bad. Mo, I dare you to take a shot of the pickle juice.
No. No, I'll do it. Cause I'm that beach.
So I lost the Never Have I Ever game, and now I have to take a shot of this bug.
And do.
So how much? I'm only.
You ain't gotta be like the whole cup, girl.
Yeah, I ain't doing all that. I don't want no seeds.
It's seeds in there?
Yeah, it's like pickle seeds.
That's gonna take like pickle juice and
that's
a
enough.
little bit of vodka. Yeah, that's good.
Are you using this? Can I take this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take it.
Let's go. Let's go. Ooh.
It did only taste like pickle juice.
Really? Okay, great.
I think the pickles
Are
themselves
stronger?
taste worse than the juice itself.
Not you saying worse.
Worser. It then went from worse to worser.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Okay, here's my outfit today. Another shirt from Shein. And these shorts from Forever 21. I literally just got these yesterday as well. They're just nice flowy shorts. I got these in the medium. The top is in the small. I probably could have did the top in the medium, to be honest. But then my Birkenstocks. I think I have time for that unboxing. So let's do that real quick, y'all. I'm going downstairs. I'm gonna just come down here to do the unboxing. But y'all, this trash smells absolutely terrible. Oh yeah, and the dishes still gotta be washed, so I'll probably try to hurry up and do that before we go too. But yeah, let me show y'all this quick unboxing. My sister graciously got me some Apple, what are these? AirPod Max headphones. I currently already have Beats, the wireless headphones, and those are great. I love those. The sound quality is amazing. She wanted to get me these, so that was very kind of her. She didn't need to do that, but thank you, sis. And I actually left my phone upstairs, and I would need my phone in order to, you know, test the quality of the headphones, right? So I'll be right back. We're back with my phone. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm pretty excited. Let's see what they're giving. Here are the headphones. The top is like a mesh. It comes with, you know, the welcome guide and also a cord to charge it. Let's do the fun part. Let's try them out. They're pretty weighty too. And then this is the case. It's an interesting case, I will say that. Okay, and the inside is like a velvet suede type of material, which is nice. Some more protective measures. Take these out, and these are what the actual headphones look like. She asked me what color I wanted. I told her black because my phone is black. I always get a black phone, so I'm like, why not get black headphones? My Beats are pink though. It doesn't say which side is which. Let's see. Oh, are they already on? Once I took the things out? I don't really see which side is which either, so how do I know right from left? Oh, they're inside. You see the L? That means it's the left ear, and then there's an R for the right ear. Hello. To get you space and time like this. Heated. Hey y'all, say good morning to the fam. Hey. You look pretty. You. Say good morning, Key.
Good morning.
Not you mad. So we're on our way to Starbucks. We were going to go to a restaurant called First Watch, but it is a 35 to 50 minute wait. Heavy on the 50, says Mo. So we're gonna go to Starbucks first and just spend our time waiting in there. Dang, this camera got me looking kind of good right now. Just a little bit. Just a little. But yeah, pretty much we don't really have any plans for today. Mo was talking about going to skating because I can't do bowling because of these nails. So we might look into that, and then I have to do a return at the mall. So, whoa, Key, whoa!
Sorry.
My goodness. So, yeah, I'll check in with y'all later. Smells good. We'll use a little bit of hot sauce. Oh, ooh, it looks like it's jalapeno in it already. This is good. Yeah, it looks good. I'm running like a... Bro, okay. Damn. I'm just here for moral support. It's gonna be my turn in about 3 rounds.
So
why does seat feel wet?
So tells you gotta chop it up. How do you chop it, man? So next.
I'm playing. I don't like this. Why your hands gotta be all in like this?
Oh yeah.
My finger's too big for this.
There's a thing with the Switch controllers, though. You can put it on a remote, like they have.
Hey.
Am I doing that?
19 on move on. No, that's me.
Oh.
And the picture's on the other side.
Oh. How do I grab it?
So that you press Y too.
I gotta press Y. I'm pressing Y, nothing happening.
Oh wait. Hold on, let me see what I pressed. Oh yeah, you got it.
I got it. I just pushed X.
Alright, so
yay!
And yeah, then you press Y to cut on the cutting board.
I pressed Y and that jump be
No, it's the cutting board.
Where's the cutting board at?
It's all the way in the back with the knife.
Oh. Bang, 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 bang. Bang. Oops. I don't think I was supposed to take that.
Yeah.
Bang, 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 bang. Oh wait, I ain't. Oh. Yeah, I forgot to grab my plate.
It's okay, you can just put it on top. Like if
Later.
We finishing up the pickles tonight. Oh, I got a big pickle. That's, that's what he said, right? I'm being a teenager. I got a big pickle.
Right.
I got a big pickle. Why would she say that? I said that's what he said. Why?
he got.
I said I got.
Oh.
This y'all going back and forth for me.
Oh, you gonna take a shot too?
There's so much in here.
These some big.
Yeah. Why didn't you just pour,
Some
why
big
didn't you
daddy
just pour
glasses.
one in here and then just pour it in there?
I see what
That's
you're
a
saying.
lot of labor. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a lot of manual labor, and I just feel like I'm looking at Ed because she always observing stuff.
Oh, I'm gonna eat them all.
No, I thought you was looking at the cup. Oh, I thought you was.
Not really. Last day in Tucson, and before we go, we are going to Starbucks once more for breakfast. I don't really like Starbucks breakfast because it's expensive, but it was good the one time I had it though. Y'all, I forgot to shoot an outro, so I wanted to say thank you for watching if you made it this far in the video, and I hope to see you next time. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like, subscribe, leave me a comment, do all that good stuff, and until next time, y'all, peace.